Hi everyone, welcome to this video where I will share with you how to edit a skill instructions in Claude. So step one, click on this your profile icon from or profile name from this corner. Then select settings. This window will pop up. Click on skills. From this list you will see all your available skills. Then click on the skill that you want to edit, for example this one, and you will see your current skill instructions. So to edit these skill instructions, simply click on these three dots and click on edit. And from here you can edit your skill description by modifying this text or by editing your skill instructions from here. As you see, content to email skill. You can read all of these texts and you can edit what you don't like. After this, click on save and your skill changes are saved, as you see here. Another way to edit your skill is by instead of selecting edit here, click on edit with Claude. Normally I should have a text prompt added here, but let's redo it. Skills, open the skill, three dots, edit with Claude. As you see, this time it worked. Help me edit the skill name, which is mine, content to email skill, using skill creator. Click on enter, and now Claude, I think it will start asking you questions that will help you edit your skill instructions. I've read both your current skill and the skill creator guide. What do you want to change about it? Fix a specific rule that isn't working, like false instruction, subject line, etc. Add or remove a step from the 9-part framework. This is for my own skill, which is this one. You can test it against real content and iterate based on results, something else entirely. What's your goal? And now just from charging, you can edit your skill. And this is how to edit your Claude skill. And this is how to edit your skill in Claude. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.